Hi, I'm Shauna Quick, and I have lived in Utah my entire life. I am the mother of 4 amazing children, Larson, Alec, Annika, and Gavin. I have 2 grandchildren that I just love and adore and love to spend time with, Christopher and Millie, and they are just a light in my life. Being a grandparent, it's so great because you get to give all the love with none of the responsibility. So it's just so fun to have them over for 5 or 6 hours and play and have fun. And then they can go home to their parents and their parents have to do all the hard work. Millie is only 6 months old, so she's just, you know, fun to hold and make smile and laugh. And Christopher is 4, and he loves to play with trucks. He's obsessed with Ford trucks. He wants to have a Ford truck when he grows up. So we like to talk about that. We like to go outside and play. He loves to balance on all the rocks and jump and show me how big he is, and he loves the outdoors. So we have fun going on hikes and things like that with him. So I love to travel. I love to take my family to show them the world. Our favorite place, it's like my second home, is Kauai. When we are in Kauai, we absolutely love to just go to the beach, chill out, spend time in the sand and in the water. There's a few hikes that we love to go on every time we're there. It's just a really peaceful time that we just get to leave the world behind and spend time as a family together. Christopher, yes, he goes to Hawaii with us, and it's so fun to see him on the beach. He was just learning how to crawl the first time we took him to Hawaii, and he looked like a little sea turtle crawling up the sand, and it's so fun to have him there with us. It feels like I have been in real estate my entire life. When I was growing up, my mom read an article that it was really important to buy real estate to build your wealth. My dad was a school teacher, and they were raising 10 children, so it was a really great choice for her to do that. When I got married, we bought and sold homes, and I always thought I should get my license. And then, like I said, when my son was about 11, I just decided that it was time to get my license, and it's just been a really great decision. When I first got my license, I thought my favorite thing would be to go to houses and see all these amazing houses. And although I do love that, I was so wrong. What I really truly love is the people that I've met. I remember when I had my license for about 6 months, I helped someone get into her first home. She had had a rough life, and she just pulled everything together, and she was ready to purchase a home. She said, "Shauna, thank you for helping me buy my dream home." And that has meant so much to me. I always put my clients' needs first. It's not about just getting to the closing table. I want to make sure that they have the house that they love, that's going to work for them. I really enjoy helping sellers as well. I enjoy educating them about the market so they can be the best informed sellers and get the most out of their home sale. So I walked into the Exit meeting, and at that moment, I just knew Exit was for me. Exit is more concerned about the agent, that they're doing well in life, because if you have an agent that is positive, has a good family life, has everything going for them, they're going to be an amazing agent and serve their clients the best. I feel like I know the Salt Lake Valley very well. I've lived in Holiday almost my entire life. I love helping people in Holiday, Draper, Salt Lake, Sandy, and other areas close by. It's important to me that my clients know I am there to serve them. They can call, text, or email me and know that I'll be there.